At the United Nations General Assembly, the spotlight shifted to King Abdullah II of Jordan. And let me tell you, his words sent a chill across the room. Speaking with a lot of urgency, the Jordanian monarch accused Israel of not just waging a war in Gaza, but also attacking history, attacking faith, and identity itself. He said that Israel is desecrating Islamic and Christian heritage in occupied East Jerusalem, a city that holds sacred meaning for billions of people worldwide. This matters a lot because Jerusalem isn't just any piece of land we are talking about. It is home to Al-Aqsa Mosque, the Church of Holy Sepulchre, and some of the holiest sites for three major religions. And King Abdullah, whose family has been official custodian of Muslim and Christian holy sites in the city, sees Israel's move as nothing less than an attempt to erase the history and change the status quo. And then came his most dramatic warning that the fire in Palestine will not stay in Palestine. You must be wondering, what does that mean, right? In simple words, this conflict could spill over. It could ignite regional chaos, destabilize neighborhood, and even trigger a wider religious confrontation. In a world already boiling with wars and refugee crisis, that warning is not one to ignore. But here's where it gets more interesting. The king wasn't just talking about heritage or holy sites. He tied it directly to Gaza's humanitarian nightmare. He called the bloodshed a carnage. Entire families wiped out, children buried, and hospitals running out of medicines. Well, the message to the world was clear that you can't sit on the sidelines anymore. Remember, Jordan has a very unique role here. It shares a border with both the West Bank and Israel. It has one of the largest Palestinian population outside of Palestine itself. So basically, any fire in Gaza or Jerusalem almost always spark protests and unrest inside Jordan. So when King speaks, he's not just delivering a diplomatic speech, he's voicing the fear of millions in his own country. Well, globally too, his words matters a lot. Western leaders may try to frame Gaza as a security issue, but Abdullah framed it as a moral and religious time bomb. He essentially told the world that if you let Israel keep going like this, well, don't be surprised if this conflict is going to spill. So, ladies and gentlemen, here's a takeaway. Abdullah's UN warning wasn't a polite plea. It was a blunt alarm bell. He told the world to wake up before Gaza's tragedy turned into something much bigger. Bigger? Maybe a clash that could reshape the dynamics of Middle East and dragon powers far beyond.